Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. First, I would like to thank Banggood for providing these review units. We have the BlitzWolf True Wireless Earbuds and the BlitzWolf Smartwatch. In this video, we will look at one of the units, which is the BlitzWolf Smartwatch. Anyway, before we proceed, the smartwatch is around 20 USD, and if there will be any coupons after this video, I will leave the details in the description below. At the front of the package, we have some information like the branding and the model number of the smartwatch. At the back of the package, we can see the specifications of the smartwatch. We have nothing else around the package, therefore let's just proceed with the unboxing. The first thing you will see is the watch itself, which has some information, and I had to charge mine since it was empty. Anyway, let's put the watch aside and start digging inside to see what other accessories we get. We get a charging cradle, which I believe is magnetic. Testing it out, it is magnetic and it holds in place pretty well. Inside the package, we get the straps, silicone straps to be exact, and they actually don't feel cheap. Finally, we get a warranty manual and an instruction manual, which is in variety of languages. Now, let's look at the watch. First, it's kind of heavy, heavier than the Amazfit GTS, which makes it feel premium built. It's not made from plastic, but metal. It is also packed with different sensors for fitness tracking, but I will talk about that later in the video. I will remove my Amazfit GTS and use the BlitzWolf watch instead and see how it will perform. Anyway, at the bottom of the screen we have a capacitive button. Personally, I'm not a fan of. They should have used a mechanical button at the side to make room for more screen. Another thing I didn't like is the menu navigation. The watch is not a touch screen, therefore you have to use the capacitive button to navigate every menu of the watch. Touch once to go to the next menu. When you hold the button, you will go inside the menu. So, what did I like about the watch? It has many options that even more expensive smartwatches don't have, like blood pressure, oxygen in blood, and so on. Anyway, to connect the watch to your phone, you need to download and install the Fit app. The app is easier to use and all the information is at a glance. The battery life is so far okay. I used it for more than 12 hours and it's at 87%. To sum it up, for 20 USD the watch is worth getting since you get more features that high-end fitness watches don't offer, and the build quality is great. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.